All right, in this chapter, we're going to talk about how to merge customers. From time to time in your dealership, customers are going to get duplicated, and although it's not the end of the world, it's also not the best thing. You may ultimately market to them multiple times, wasting resources and ultimately showing them you have them in their system twice, maybe not looking as professional as you'd want. But the reality is, it's going to happen. So let's address how to handle it. So over in the left-hand collapse menu, you can see our options over here. All the way at the bottom, I have merge customer. And what I have is a drop down that's going to ask me, do I want to take this record and merge it into a different customer, or do I want to go find a customer and merge it into this one? So what we're going to do is keep this record and merge the data from another customer into it. And that's the option I have selected, and I'll click OK. Now I'll look for my customer, which I found. I'll click add selected, and now it's just going to review some of the info that I have that's moving from one to another. So here's the information, that I have for my target record. And here's what I have for my source record, again, where it's going to move to. So it's just updating the information that's going to be different from what was originally had. I can click in, I can see that information here and just make sure that I understand this is exactly what I want. Once I do, I can hit continue, and it's going to let me know that once I do this, there's no going back, right? We're merging two customer records. This is just one of those screens you'll see in DX1 from time to time that's going to remind you that when you check this box, this action cannot be undone. In this case, I'm ready to do that, and I can simply click the merge button, and it's going to let me know that my merge is complete. And now any of my records that I had for the customers or garage items or any of those have now been combined. So hopefully that just helps you when you deal with that situation where customers have been duplicated in your system and you want to clean them up and merge them together.